lang nga kasi ang bilis ng comment section talaga. Si Daddy, kay Daddy J ba yun? Sino bang top 1 ko ngayon? Who is my top 1 right now? Is it Paragon? Ay, tama ba? Si Zero. Iba pa rin nabasa ko. Walang backread dito. Wait lang. Sorry ha. Nawawala agad yung comment nyo. Ang dadaldal nyo kasi dyan sa baba. Sorry kung hindi ko mababasa agad. Ulitin nyo na lang, ha? Kung mahaba yung comment nyo, i-copy-paste nyo na lang, ha? Kabalik yung kadaldalan ko. Oo, mapapagod kayo mag-comment. Kaka-type. Hindi ko nababasa. Sakit sa ulo. Ako, thank you guys. Is that a gift? Thank you! Oh my gosh, salamat po! Ikanta na lang no? I think we received 32,000 something rubies. Tama ba rubies yung tawag? Yes, okay. Hindi ba beans? Sige, 35K. Parang ramdam ko talaga tayo. Magiging 100K to. Yung 100, tanong lang, yung 100K dito, ilan yun? Ilang box yun sa kabila? Para ano tayo Thank you for the gifts po. 5K. Okay. So dapat pala mag 1M tayo. No, kasi balita ko, mura lang daw yung recharge. Ay, parang first time ko mag 1M. 10M? Ay! Uy, nakakahiya naman, pero sige nga. Nakakahiya naman, wag yung tagalan. Uy, grabe, magiging happy talaga ako. Hindi na ako babalik sa kabila pag nag-10M to. Dito na tayo magsasaya, promise. Pero kung ayaw nyo, yung buburautin ko na, yung boss na lang ng tala. Na, boss? Minaraot yung boss. Kapal na mukha mo, be. Anyways, sobra na yung... Hindi ba kayo napapagod mag-comment, no? Andito si boss nakadami. Boss, can you recharge? Sabi naman wala akong kita sa'yo, Thank you. Pwede magtubig ulit? Ang saya naman. Ganito pala kasaya dito. Sige, mag-request kayo ulit ng songs. Let's go 200 viewers. Possible din na mag 200 viewers dito. Daming comment. Hindi ko nga sabog comment. Kaya... May mga nagagantong umaabot din ng viewers na ganito dito. For sure, pag nandito yung yung isang host na malakas din, si Empoy, pag nandito yun, madami din yun. Wait lang, sorry guys kung hindi ko Diyos ko, ang hirap mag-backread, be! Dapat kada comment yung dapat gawin agad Kahilobi. Dapat every comment may bayad, no? Para priority ba? Angels brought me here. Sige nga, sing tayo ng Angels brought me here. Para naman, alam mo na, Angels brought me here in Tala. Sana meron ding Tala, gala night. Ay. Naku, uuwi talaga ako ng Pinas. What if Tala ang magpapauwi sa akin? No. Grabe ka na tala, ha? Alright, let's sing, let's sing, let's sing, let's sing. Thank you! Guys, I swear, pag nakapako na po lahat ng mga sinesend yung gifts. Yan. Thank you. Sino yung nag-drop? It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces, walking back into the light, into the sunset of your glory, with my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could, thank you, the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me here, brought me here to be with you. I'll be forever grateful, oh, forever thankful. My dreams came true when I found you, my miracle. How much is that? Thank you po. What I see, that you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me here. Thank you for the follow. That you're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me here. Thank you po. Salamat po.